What's the one mistake keeping you from passing the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals exam? Most candidates have no idea it's not a lack of knowledge, it's preparing the wrong way. If you're preparing for the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals certification, you're in the right place. Many candidates spend hours watching tutorials and reading documentation, yet still struggle on exam day because they don't understand how Microsoft asks its questions. In this video, you'll go through 5 realistic practice questions with detailed explanations that will help you understand the concepts, build confidence, and prepare more effectively for your certification exam. Let's get started. Question 1. Which Azure service is specifically designed to build, train, and deploy machine learning models? A. Azure Machine Learning. B. Azure Blob Storage. C. Azure Virtual Machines. D. Azure Monitor. Correct answer, A. Azure Machine Learning. Explanation. Azure Machine Learning is Microsoft's cloud platform for creating, training, and deploying machine learning models. It provides tools for data preparation, automated machine learning, model management, and deployment, making it the primary service for developing AI solutions in Azure. Question 2. Which AI workload is responsible for recognizing objects, people, and text in images? A. Speech recognition. B. Natural language processing. C. Computer vision. D. Knowledge mining. Correct answer, C. Computer vision. Explanation. Computer vision enables applications to analyze images and videos by detecting objects, recognizing faces, extracting text, and classifying visual content. It's widely used in image analysis, document processing, and security applications. Question 3. A company wants to build a chatbot that understands customer questions and provides intelligent responses. Which AI capability should they use? A. Computer vision. B. Natural language processing. C. Azure Backup. D. Network security. Correct answer, B. Natural language processing. Explanation. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables computers to understand and process human language. Azure AI uses NLP for chatbots, language translation, sentiment analysis, question answering, and conversational AI applications. Question 4. Which Azure AI service converts spoken language into written text? A. Azure AI Speech. B. Azure AI Vision. C. Azure Monitor. D. Azure Virtual Desktop. Correct answer, A. Azure AI Speech. Explanation. Azure AI Speech provides speech-to-text, text-to-speech, speech translation, and speaker recognition capabilities. It allows developers to create voice-enabled applications that interact naturally with users. Question 5. Why is responsible AI important in Microsoft Azure AI solutions? A. It increases internet speed. B. It helps ensure AI systems are fair, secure, transparent, reliable, and accountable. C. It automatically upgrades Azure services. D. It reduces cloud storage costs. Correct answer, B. It helps ensure AI systems are fair, secure, transparent, reliable, and accountable. Explanation. Microsoft promotes responsible AI to ensure AI systems are developed and used ethically. These principles include fairness, reliability, privacy, security, transparency, inclusiveness, and accountability, helping organizations build trustworthy AI solutions. Those were 5 realistic practice questions to help you prepare for the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals certification exam. The more you understand the concepts behind each question, the more confident you'll be on exam day. Keep practicing consistently, focus on understanding Azure AI services, and you'll be well on your way to success. Want more Microsoft Azure certification practice questions and expert study resources? Visit ITExamsTopics to boost your preparation with the latest exam-focused content.